Hello students, so we're going to work on a new program here, new game. This one's Spaceship Shooter. This is 1.0 where we're going to mostly just focus on moving and rotating our spaceship. And we're going to talk about a nice way to do that with smooth movement. So we'll use left and right to rotate, we'll use the up arrow to move forward, and we'll put that in a forever loop to make our movement nice and smooth. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make this a little bit more spaceship-like. There was one, sure we go, stars, that'll work. Also going to get rid of scratch there, and let's go ahead and find a rocket ship. There we go. I'm not real crazy about that one. I'll just maybe use this one, maybe resize it if I can. Something with a little more room in the, gives me some more room in the backdrop. Okay, so we've got a rocket ship. We're going to label this Spaceship Shooter 1.0, and I just want the left and right arrows to make me turn right and left. So if I look up here, I do see a turn, to the right and a turn to the left, and I want to put those in the event. Maybe I could say when, instead of the space bar, I'll say when the left arrow is pressed to turn that many degrees, and when the right arrow is pressed to turn that way. So you can see, I don't know if I'll get my microphone real close, tap, 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 tap. If I hold it down, then you see a bunch of, kind of jump, 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 jump. If I hold the left one down, you can see it does that as well. The thing is that's not the smoothest way of doing that, and that's just because the program is really behind the scenes kind of jumping back and forth between the two of those. There is a better way of getting nice smooth motion. So let me show you how to do that. And the way we're going to do is we're going to basically trash both of these, and instead we're going to say when the green flag is clicked, so the beginning of the game, we're going to have a forever loop. So constantly looping around here, and we want to say, if we put the action that we want in words, we'll say if the left key is pressed, then rotate counterclockwise. If the right arrow key is pressed, then rotate clockwise. So sounds like I need an if, which is in control. So if, and then we need a sensing. So the sensing, we have a key space, or I'll just say key left arrow, then turn that way, and then trash that one. If the right arrow is pressed, then turn to the right. So now when I hit the green flag, you'll see it's a lot smoother. If I put this to maybe 10 degrees, it might get even smoother than that. 10 degrees. Okay. But it is a little bit slower. I do like that 15. I think we'll just leave it at 15. Okay. The next thing I said is I want my spaceship to move forward whenever I hit the up arrow key. So when the up arrow, I don't want to turn, I want to do some movement. So let's see what happens here. Rotate, rotate. Oh my gosh, what in the world? Move. Whoa, this is pretty weird. I wonder if I can look and see the direction. Okay, so the direction right here, as I rotate around, I'm going to, right now it says direction 90 degrees, direction 180 degrees. So it looks to me like I'm pointing straight up there. I hit the up arrow and it kicks me to the right. I'm like, wait a second. I'm not sure what, whoa, what is going on with all of this? Move 10 steps. Okay, so that's kind of interesting. Well, here's what we need to do. We're going to go in and modify this rocket ship. So I'm going to get it and I'm going to rotate it so that he's facing completely east here. This is in math, and in other situations this was our 0 degrees. They're going to call it 90 degrees, but pretty sure this is going to end up working. Oh, look, at that. Okay, so that means when I'm facing all the way, for whatever reason, that is considering the direction is 90 degrees. I'll be honest, I'm not sure why that's saying 90 degrees, because it seems like this, but they're considering that the sprite is rotated 90 degrees, and that's, if I can get it just right, 0 degrees. So the idea here is now my spaceship can move around in exactly the way that I want it to, and so that whatever direction I'm moving forward is that direction. And let's see if that is in a forever loop for smooth moving. Yep, that's good. That's what I wanted. Next up, we're going to deal with some laser shooting, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.